ओके, सो कुछ टेक्निकल प्रॉब्लम्स है, थोड़ा रुकना पड़ा था। सो V4 तो चल रहा था हमारा V4। सो ये V4 क्या होता है, बराबर है। सो V4 इज अ फोर्थ फॉर्म ऑफ, ओके, एंड देन V4 is a continuous, okay, V4 is a continuous, and then V4 takes a helping verb, takes many helping verbs. So take helping verbs, only helping verbs, take helping verbs. Then another points of V4. So okay, write down, and then I will provide it. Are you is this your book? Okay, so new or old? New. Okay, to continue to writing in your new book. Can you continue? Okay, again, will I provide it? The next session, big chapter about to related by the grammatical English. Means I will say to you how to use this, the types of main verbs. Will I provide it? Okay, then next session. But it is to understand this basically form of the types of main verb, and to use how to use this, and how to convert into tenses, subtypes of tenses, past, present, and another types of to relate relations with subtenses, tenses. Okay, so tense is a part of the cardinal type, part of the cardinal chapter. So without tense, don't comfortable to understand to everyone. Okay, so write down V4. What is the V4? जो भी मेरे को अभी देख रहे हैं ऑनलाइन में, फटाफट स्क्रीनशॉट लिख लीजिए। और V4 अभी हमने देखा, अभी तक V1 था, V2 था, V3 था, बराबर है। V1 आपको पता हो गया है, V2 भी आपको पता हो गया है, आने वाला जो V4 है वो कैसा रहेगा वो भी पता हो गया है, V3 भी पता हो गया है, लेकिन V4 भी पता हो गया है, बराबर है। लेकिन V4 यानी उसका स्ट्रक्चर रहता है जो हम बताने वाले, वो भी आप लिख देंगे। पहले समझ लीजिए कि V4 का स्ट्रक्चर क्या होता है। सो V4 V1 प्लस ing मीन्स V4 हमने कहा था कि विदाउट V1 के बिना कोई V4, V3, V2, V5 नहीं बन सकता। सो V4, to know about it, how to use and how to convert in the tenses, so types of first form of verb means it is a types of main verb. Okay, so V4 is a continuous form, and to need to become for the ing form means I will say to you V4. Okay, so V4 क्या है? I say you V4 without to use any form of types, to leave it V1, to make the 100% ing form, 100% ing form. Where is your concentration? So first of all, to concentration to I can say you. So firstly, this is our V4. This is our V4, and to V4 is a continuous form. So V4 have the many points to understand it, how to use and how to convert in the any tenses, subtypes of tenses. Okay, and V4, what is V4? Types of main verb. But before few minutes, before few times, possible to use without V1, to use for this comfortable, make this V4. No. So is it true or not? No, without V1 don't make the ing form is V4. So to use only V1 and then to use ing, and then one make the example. So eat. Okay, eat. Eat means it is a V1, and to in front of I use the ing form, and to make this is called the V1 means continuous form of the V4. Okay, to write down. जो भी है टेंस में विदाउट V1, V2, V3, V4 के बिना टेंस नहीं बनता, और टेंस बनेगा तो सिर्फ V1 to V5. हम अभी क्या देखे? V4. So V4. Okay, can you tell me V4 types of main verb? You have seen it before. I was teaching you. So can you be told me? Can you tell me? Previous. Are you comfortable to understand my things? Am I right to be told you? So am I right to told you? Yes or no? Yes. So which is thing to be said you? So about it before. Before, without V1 to make the sentence, is it true or not? Is it comfortable for this sentence? So, and V1 is used, V1 take its meaning in the any sentence. Okay, leave it firstly. Simply better to मैं क्या कह सकता हूँ आपको कि जो भी है our types of main verb जो भी है, so कितने हैं? V1 to V5. So I don't give the information up to V5, but again then I will be told you. Okay, and then जो भी हम पहले क्या देखे कि V1 देखे, उसके बाद में क्या देखे, सेकंड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्क मतलब V2, उसके बाद में V3, उसके बाद में V4 के पॉइंट्स क्या है, कंटिन्यूस फॉर्म में आता है, बराबर है, क्या आता है, कंटिन्यूस फॉर्म में आता है। जो भी V4 होता है बिना मतलब विदाउट, उसके कोई भी, मैंने कहा क्या आपको कि कहा जो भी आपका ध्यान जो भी इधर लगाइए अच्छी तरह से। पिछली बार भी हमने कहा था कि बिना मेन वर्ब्स के मतलब विदाउट मेन वर्ब्स के कोई सेंटेंस बनेगा या नहीं बनेगा, मतलब विदाउट सेंटेंस टू यूज एनी वर्ड्स बट it is not a main verb, it is a another false word to use for the making sentence to, is it true or not? No, because without main verb don't make its sense and to make by subject plus verb plus other word. So to know use the subject and to know use the verb and to use the other word to related the actions of verb, actions of doer. Are you understand? And then next main verb, types of main verb, V1 to V5. Okay, so are you known from me V1? Yes. Okay, so can you tell me the V1 points?
It is first form of the verb. It is used in present.
V1 present, V1 is a present, V1 is a plural, and then next V2.
It is second form of verb and it is used in past.
And then V3.
It is third form of the verb and it is used in perfect.
Okay, and then V4.
It is continue.
Continuous.
Yes.
Continue, no, continue is a different word. Okay, continue is a different word and continuous is a different word. Continue, it's a sense in similar meaning of our native language to understand to everyone it. Okay, so comfortable for this continuous means continue your gradually to working, that is called the continuous. Means continuous from present continuous, means progressive, means progressive. Your work is progressing, that is called the continuous. Okay, progress means continuous. Okay, so जो भी वर्क आपका शुरू है कंटिन्यू में उसको कंटिन्यूस भी कहते हैं। कंटिन्यू भी वही है, मतलब स्पेलिंग इज डिफरेंट बट इट्स similar meaning to use in the any sentence, but it is told me before continue is a different, it is not used to comfortable for this sentence to make its meaning as grammatically as meaningful. Okay, so continuous is a verb to make this sentence for its meaning as grammatically to use it, make for the meaningfully continuous form. Means are you known the continuum word? First of all, eating. So okay, we have the continue. Okay, we have the continuous form. Okay, before. Okay, so wrote down this. Okay, so before means V1 plus ing. Before means V1 plus ing. Eat plus ing means eating. This is the continuum. I am eating a mango. I was eating a mango. I will be eating a mango. This is the continuum process, and you will be taking the many some words and to speak and speaking in the continuous form. So I continue this with me to learn from my knowledge. Are you gaining now? No? I want to say that are you continue to gaining my knowledge to how to use V4, how to use V3, how to use V2 or V1? Okay, this is right decision. Okay, so without V1 to V5 don't make any sentence. So V1 to V5, so this is the part of essential, cardinal, so many, so fabulous types of main verbs, means wonderful to understand it. It is very easy to simplest to everyone. So, and to use means before anybody can understand it, and then they will have known about how to use and how to convert in the any tenses, sub tenses. Okay, so then they will become comfortable to speak English from their thoughts, from their another words. Okay, so is it true?
Yes.
So can I continue with you?
Yes.
So write down.
Yes.
Okay, another example to see it. एक और एग्जाम्पल देखेंगे. कंपलसरी नहीं है कि इंग्लिश में ही बात करना, जो भी है हम पहले जो भी है देखते हैं कि चलो यार बिफोर में ज़्यादा सर डायरेक्टली बात करते हैं इंग्लिश में तो अच्छी बात है, लेकिन उसको मैनेज करने के लिए पहले नेटिव लैंग्वेज को समझना है. जो भी वर्ड होता है जैसे कार्डिनल हो, जैसे इसेंस हो, नेवरलेस हो, जैसे हायर लैंग्वेज के जो वर्ड होते हैं हमको मीनिंग उसका मालूम नहीं रहता, तो उसका मीनिंग मालूम करना होता है अपने नेटिव लैंग्वेज में. उसका नेटिव लैंग्वेज में मीनिंग मालूम किए तो उसके बिना उसको समझना है, रट्टा नहीं मारना है. बराबर है, रट्टा मारेंगे तो क्या होगा, पूरा ही आप फिसल जाएंगे. पूरा फिसल जाएंगे मतलब पूरा रट जाएंगे उस पे से. फिर तो अगले वाला क्या होगा, सो जो भी देखेगा सो वो तो कहेगा. सो एनीबॉडी कैन सेट विल से टू यू, यू आर नॉट कंफर्टेबल for speaking English. So your mistakes is before in your hand to check that and to improve it and to again and again to speak with another person as a good speaker English. Okay, so is it true to say true? It is not false to say you, because जो भी हायर लैंग्वेज के वर्ड होते हैं एक्सेंट होता है. सो I can use my accents of one sentence. Okay. Can you see it? So can you see it means our British accent. So can you see it? Okay. So another pronunciation is different to listen properly everybody and to laugh from it. But laughing is not important. But accents is important the higher language in international level. Okay. So again continuing with our session. But it is important to be said it now our session, because another person cannot to understand to use any words. There its rules by the grammatically to use it now. So write down your V5 and to continue this process. V5 means okay. Fifth form of verb. Next, don't know. I will tell you and then to know about from me. So V5 means fifth form of verb and then singular. No, don't write. Firstly, ये भी प्रेजेंट होता, ये भी प्रेजेंट है. ठीक है, ये भी क्या है, प्रेजेंट. ठीक है, और देन सिंगुलर. Singular. Write down. To know all everybody's Deepika's English to be fabulous and everyone can look, and she uses American accents, British accents in her speech. Whenever big celebrities will ask, ma'am, please will you have to come here in your institution as to one or more sentence to talk about our institutions. So whenever ma'am, one person I have known it, Divakar is my friend, and to Divakar had to come Deepika's production house and to said it, Deepika's ma'am to have come here to institution to celebrate our session today, and we have gathered from everybody's celebrities as the Chief Minister, Honorable Chief Minister, Honorable Guardian Ministers, and another relations with the politicians and big celebrities of Bollywood. And so Deepika's Padukone. So Deepika's man. So her English is very fabulous to look for everyone, because his English, and he will be speaking somewhere, wherever. Can you be known it? Deepika's English? No, but her English is very fabulous to look at everyone. But people said often Deepika's English is fabulous, and to her body language is used then, and to she is a celebrity, and she is speaking in accent and fast movement and slow movement. So she has body language and many knowledge of the English. She is an actress. Okay. She is another person. To know the missile man in our India, he died. He is died. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. And he was talented to speak English. Another, he was president of India. He was a Muslim president of India. He was a missile man. So same as like a celebrity. And another big our celebrities in our India, as so in our India have the many knowledge of speaking English. So without speaking English, do not comfortable for their thoughts, and everybody can say you are not comfortable in the speaking English. So you are not an actor, you are not a president, you are not a big celebrity. But without English in our 21st century, don't give the placement, don't give the chance of respections. Okay, so nevertheless, so first of all, without English, don't proper speak English, but you have the knowledge of 50% English and to speak another person in English speaking. So people can give their respects to you as a big celebrity. Then, so I will give the example. Okay, so leave it. It is not our subject or topic. Okay, to wrote down this. Okay, can I be continuing this? So write down the one thing. V5 means V5 is a formula. V1 plus IS ES or yes. Right. IMP. Write down and to give this short form, the important short form of IMP, and to remember always in your life. Whenever you will be using any tenses and to convert somewhere to use this V5. How to use IES, how to use ES, how to use yes. And then I will explain you to tomorrow how to use IES and ES with yes. Okay, to write down it. So, okay. V5 have the formula. V5 have the formula. So V1, V2, V3 don't have the formula, but V5 is a V1 means without V1 to use the comfortable for this V5. No. So, is it true to use it? Without V1, do not use IES, ES or ES. So, thank you for watching my today's session. And अगली बार दोबारा मुलाकात होगी. So, आज के लिए बस इतना सेशन होता है. So, अभी ये these are our main types of work. V1, V2, V3, V5 और V4. सो अगले सेशन में पढ़ाया जाएगा कि इसके यूजेस क्या है, हाउ टू यूज एंड हाउ टू कन्वर्ट एंड हाउ टू स्पीक इंग्लिश. सो बिना विदाउट V1 टू V5 टेंस बनता नहीं. सो अगले सेशन में देखेंगे. सो थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग माई चैनल एंड टू सब्सक्राइब नाउ एंड टू शेयर इट अगेन एंड अगेन पर्सन. और जो भी कमज़ोर है उसके पास भी पहुंचाइए ये वीडियो, ताकि वो कंफर्टेबल हो सके. उसको ट्रेन करिए. टीचर पढ़ाता है और बच्चा पढ़ता है. मतलब टीचर क्या करता है, टीचिंग करता है, बच्चा लर्न करता है. टीचर पढ़ाते रहता है, वो पढ़ते रहता है, लेकिन कभी टीचर ने ऐसे खुद को समझा नहीं कि ट्रेनर है करके. टीचर जब समझेगा मैं ट्रेनर हूँ, तो उसको स्टूडेंट को क्या करेगा, एज ए ट्रेन करेगा. एज ए ट्रेनर करके वो टीचर उसकी पोस्ट है, लेकिन वो ट्रेनर करके एज ए ट्रेनर मैं खुद ट्रेनर हूँ, मैं टीचर नहीं. मेरी पोस्ट कहलाती, मैं टीचर हूँ, बट एज ए ट्रेनर जैसे मैं पढ़ाता हूँ तो मेरे बच्चे ट्रेन होते हैं. तो मेरे बच्चे जो ट्रेन होते हैं वो ट्रेन खुद को तो करते हैं, दूसरों को भी ट्रेनिंग देते हुए वो दूसरों को भी ट्रेनिंग देते हैं. मतलब वो ट्रेन खुद को भी करते हैं और दूसरों को भी ट्रेनिंग दिलवाते हैं. जो भी है ये ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा वीडियो शेयर कीजिए. और अगले सेशन में हम देखेंगे आगे वाला पार्ट्स. थैंक यू.